Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, a place where the familiar laws of nature seem to twist and turn, leaving behind a trail of unanswered questions. This expanse of ocean, shrouded in mystery and folklore, has captivated the world for decades. From vanished ships and aircraft to perplexing magnetic anomalies, the Bermuda Triangle presents a tapestry of enigmatic events that continue to baffle scientists and fuel speculation. Join us now as we venture into this realm of the unexplained, delving into the top 10 mysteries that make the Bermuda Triangle a legend of the sea. The year is 1945. 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers, designated Flight 19, take off from Florida on a routine training mission. The weather is clear, the skies are bright, but this training exercise would soon become a chilling chapter in the Bermuda Triangle's legend. As Flight 19 flew over the seemingly endless blue, strange reports began to crackle over the radio waves. The flight leader's compass, usually a steadfast guide, spun erratically, sending the squadron off course. Confusion filled the airwaves as the pilots struggled to regain their bearings, their voices laced with a growing sense of disorientation. Flight 19, along with its 14 crew members, vanished without a trace, swallowed by the vast expanse of the Atlantic. Adding another layer to this already baffling mystery, a PBM Mariner flying boat, dispatched to search for the missing squadron, also disappeared. The Mariner, carrying a 13-man crew, vanished into thin air, leaving behind no wreckage, no explanation, only a haunting silence. The disappearance of Flight 19 remains a pivotal event, etching the Bermuda Triangle into the public's imagination as a place of perilous mystery. The year is 1918. The world is engulfed in the throes of World War I. The USS Cyclops, a colossal Navy collier, embarked on a routine voyage from the West Indies to Baltimore. Laden with manganese ore, a crucial material for wartime efforts, the Cyclops and its 309 souls seemed to vanish into thin air, leaving behind a void of unanswered questions. No distress signals, no wreckage, no sign of struggle. The Cyclops' disappearance remains one of the largest losses of life in the history of the US Navy during peacetime, a chilling testament to the Triangle's unforgiving nature. Theories abound attempting to explain the Cyclops' fate. Some point to the unpredictable fury of the Atlantic, conjuring images of monstrous waves swallowing the ship whole. Others whisper of German U-boats lurking beneath the surface, their torpedoes silencing the Cyclops forever. However, the lack of evidence, the absence of any trace, leaves these theories suspended in a state of unsettling uncertainty. The USS Cyclops, a maritime giant, became a ghost ship, its story woven into the tapestry of the Bermuda Triangle's enduring mystery. Within the Bermuda Triangle, the very forces that guide us, the invisible lines of Earth's magnetic field, seem to falter and sway. Sailors and aviators have long reported strange compass behavior within this enigmatic zone. The magnetic compass, a mariner's trusted companion for centuries, can behave erratically, its needle dancing to an unknown rhythm. This peculiar phenomenon has fueled speculation about magnetic anomalies lurking beneath the waves. Some theorize that the Earth's crust in this particular region possesses unique magnetic properties, causing compasses to spin wildly, their guidance rendered useless. Could these magnetic anomalies be the unseen hand behind the disappearances that have plagued the Triangle? Could they disrupt electrical systems, sending planes and ships careening off course? While the scientific community continues to explore the intricacies of Earth's magnetic field, the connection between these anomalies and the Triangle's mysteries remains a subject of intense debate. Are these magnetic disturbances merely a natural quirk of the region, or do they hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle? So, Chapter 4, The Haunting Tale of the Mary Celeste. While not directly swallowed by the Bermuda Triangle's enigmatic embrace, the tale of the Mary Celeste casts a long shadow over the region's mysteries. Discovered adrift in 1872, this merchant brigantine became a haunting symbol of the sea's capricious nature. The Mary Celeste was found sailing erratically, its sails partially set, a ghost ship seemingly abandoned in haste. Her cargo lay untouched, the crew's belongings neatly stored, and a half-eaten meal sat on the table frozen in time. The ship's log offered no clues, its final entries revealing nothing out of the ordinary. The crew of 10 had vanished without a trace, leaving behind an eerie silence that echoed through the ship's desolate hull. Theories abound, each attempting to piece together the puzzle of the Mary Celeste. Some whisper of pirate attacks, others of mutinies born of desperation or madness. Some even speak of sea monsters, their tentacles reaching up from the depths to drag the crew to a watery grave. Yet, despite the countless theories and investigations, the fate of the Mary Celeste and her crew remains a maritime enigma. Chapter 5. Secrets of the deep underwater structures. In the depths of the Bermuda Triangle, beneath the waves that conceal so many secrets, lie enigmatic structures that stir the imagination. In the 1960s, sonar surveys revealed something extraordinary. Massive pyramid-like formations resting on the ocean floor. These structures, dwarfing the Great Pyramid of Giza in scale, ignite speculation about their origins and purpose. Are they natural formations, sculpted by the ocean's unseen hand over millennia? Or could they be evidence of something more extraordinary, remnants of a lost civilization swallowed by the sea? Some point to the legend of Atlantis, the fabled city lost beneath the waves. Could these structures be the remnants of this advanced civilization, their smooth geometric forms hinting at a technological prowess beyond our understanding? The discovery of these underwater structures adds another layer of intrigue to the Bermuda Triangle's mystique. Are they silent sentinels guarding secrets of the past, or do they hold the key to unlocking the mysteries that have baffled us for generations? Chapter 6. Atlantis, Fact, Fiction, or Fuel for the Mystery. The legend of Atlantis, the technologically advanced civilization lost beneath the waves, has captivated imaginations for centuries. Could this mythical city, described by the Greek philosopher Plato, hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle? Some proponents of this theory believe that Atlantis, with its advanced technology and powerful energy sources, met a catastrophic end, sinking beneath the waves within the region we now call the Bermuda Triangle. They speculate that remnants of Atlantis's technology, perhaps powerful crystals or energy generators, continue to function on the ocean floor, interfering with electronic equipment and causing the strange phenomena reported within the triangle. Could these ancient remnants be responsible for the disappearances, the magnetic anomalies, and the bizarre tales of time distortions reported by those who have dared to venture into the triangle's domain? While the existence of Atlantis remains firmly in the realm of speculation, its connection to the Bermuda Triangle adds a tantalizing layer to the region's mystique, blurring the lines between myth and reality. Chapter 7. Imagine flying through a dense, impenetrable fog, a wall of white that obscures your vision and plays tricks on your instruments. This is the reality pilots have reported when encountering the elusive electronic fog within the Bermuda Triangle. This isn't your everyday fog, but a strange atmospheric anomaly that seems to disrupt electronic equipment and distort time itself. Pilots have described their instruments going haywire, compasses spinning wildly, and time seeming to speed up or slow down as if they've entered a realm where the laws of physics are suspended. One of the most well-known accounts comes from Bruce Gernon, a seasoned pilot who claims to have experienced a time warp while flying through a strange tunnel-shaped cloud formation within the triangle. Gernon reported that his instruments malfunctioned and he emerged from the cloud hundreds of miles off course, having seemingly traveled through a shortcut in space-time. Is electronic fog a real phenomenon or simply a product of human misperception and the Bermuda Triangle's mystique? The Bermuda Triangle, situated at the crossroads of powerful weather systems, is no stranger to nature's fury. This region is notorious for its unpredictable weather patterns, capable of transforming a calm sea into a raging inferno in the blink of an eye. Among the most feared phenomena are rogue waves, towering walls of water that can reach heights of over 100 feet. These monstrous waves, often appearing without warning, possess the power to capsize even the largest ships, swallowing them whole in a matter of seconds. Hurricanes, those swirling behemoths of wind and rain, also frequent the triangle, their destructive paths leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. These storms can easily overwhelm ships and aircraft, their fierce winds and torrential downpours turning even the most routine journey into a desperate fight for survival. Add to this the presence of waterspouts, tornadoes that form over water, and it becomes clear that the Bermuda Triangle is a place where nature's raw power is on full display. Beneath the ocean floor, hidden within the sediments, lies a potential culprit in the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries: methane hydrates. These ice-like structures, formed from methane gas trapped within water molecules, hold a significant amount of energy. Scientists believe that the sudden release of methane hydrates from the seabed could create areas of decreased water density, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. Imagine a ship sailing through what appears to be calm waters, only to encounter a sudden decrease in buoyancy, causing it to plunge beneath the waves without warning. Could this explain the sudden and mysterious disappearances of ships within the triangle? Furthermore, the release of methane gas into the atmosphere could potentially affect aircraft engines, causing them to stall or malfunction, leading to catastrophic consequences. While the methane hydrate theory offers a plausible explanation for some of the triangle's mysteries, it remains just that, a theory. Deep within the heart of our planet, the Earth's core spins and churns, generating a magnetic field that envelops our world. This magnetic field, usually a protective shield, might hold the key to unlocking the Bermuda Triangle's secrets. Some scientists speculate that the triangle's location, near the edge of one of Earth's magnetic field lines, could be susceptible to unusual magnetic fluctuations. These fluctuations, perhaps caused by shifts in the Earth's core or interactions with solar wind, could disrupt compasses, interfere with electronic equipment, and even affect the flow of time. Imagine a compass needle spinning wildly, its bearings lost in a sea of magnetic chaos. Imagine electronic systems malfunctioning, their circuits overloaded by unseen forces. Could these magnetic anomalies be the unseen hand guiding ships and aircraft astray, leading them to their doom? While the connection between the Earth's core and the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries is still being explored, it offers a fascinating glimpse into the powerful forces that shape our world, both seen and unseen.
Many people describe the Bermuda Triangle as a mysterious area in the ocean. Over 100 planes and ships disappeared. They vanished forever. It is located in the north and forms a triangle between Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. It appears to be in the shape of a triangle. It is over 500,000 square miles in size. The tales of the Bermuda Triangle have been around for over 500 years. In 1492, Christopher Columbus encountered a setback during his search for the New World. He mentioned that his guide stopped working at this point. One night, a ship captain noticed a mysterious light in the sky. The fireball's light fell into the water in front of him like a flare. This is where the puzzle started. This place has had different names throughout its history. The Atlantic Sea of Doom, also called the Sargasso Graveyard, is a mysterious and deadly area in the Atlantic Ocean. The names originated in the 18th and 19th centuries. Vince Hayes Gaddis coined the term Bermuda Triangle in 1964 in his article The Deadly Bermuda Triangle, published in Argosy magazine. This paper summarizes the long history of people disappearing in the Bermuda Triangle, attempting to connect them. He wanted to make things mysterious, but he did not provide a clear explanation for the reason behind the happenings. However, during that period, the Bermuda Triangle mystery was a topic of great discussion. Many authors wrote books about it due to its fame. Songs, movies, and computer games have featured the Bermuda Triangle, contributing to its fame. Throughout history, generations have passed down numerous popular stories. However, the veracity of these tales remains unconfirmed. We use the term tales to refer to them. Urban myths are a type of mythology that circulates in modern society. However, these myths are often presented as true stories, but they are actually fictional. Many intelligent individuals do not believe in the existence of the Bermuda Triangle. Why do so many unfortunate events occur in the Bermuda Triangle? Despite the numerous theories and speculations surrounding this phenomenon, the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle's reputation remains elusive. There are some individuals who believe that aliens were responsible for the disappearance of planes and ships. Some people believe that a massive monster lurking beneath the ocean is responsible for the mysterious disappearances. Some people think the water here is strange and that ships and planes can sink in it. These ideas are confusing. Let's focus on scientific ideas. Magnetism might be a factor. Hey friends, did you know that the magnetic North Pole and the North Pole of the Earth are not the same thing? The north point of a compass helps find the magnetic North Pole. The actual North Pole is nearby. The North Pole is a location in geography. It is the northernmost point on Earth and is located in the Arctic Ocean. The North Pole is also known as the geographic North Pole or true north. It is the point where the Earth's axis of rotation intersects. Please take a look at this image. Many people ponder the distinction between the magnetic and physical North Poles, just as individuals did centuries ago when relying on compasses. A compass can display the physical and magnetic North Poles in certain regions. This story takes place in agony. These lines of discomfort develop with time. The 0-degree line has been in the Bermuda Triangle for around 200 to 300 years. This may be confusing. The Bermuda Triangle is surprisingly shallow, which is extremely unusual. Satellite maps reveal the blue seas surrounding the Bahamas and other Caribbean islands, a long body of shallow water. When seen from space, the water surrounding it looks dark blue. Ships became stuck in the shallow water. Underwater, there were raised areas called shorelines. They couldn't see it from the ships. When ships reached the top of the area, they became stuck. This area has a lot of hurricanes. Following the US and Cuba, China is third in terms of the likelihood of experiencing a storm. Cuba is located in this region. Which US state has the most hurricanes? Florida is a state located in the southeastern part of the United States. It is known for its warm climate, beautiful beaches, and diverse wildlife. Florida is the third most populous state, here in this location. This place experiences hurricanes and floods frequently. The fourth reason is that gas can form hydrates. There are large deposits of methane hydrates in certain oceans. Researchers in Australia have discovered that an excess of methane bubbles can reduce the density of water, leading to the sinking of ships as they are unable to stay afloat. The same idea holds true. When there is more salt in the water, it becomes denser, making it easier for objects to move through it. The Dead Sea is also similar. In most cases, when people enter the ocean, they tend to sink due to the water's density. However, the Dead Sea is an exception to this, as its high density allows individuals to float on its surface. Things that are similar are going backwards. Methane releases into the ocean can lead to the formation of mud volcanoes. Deep-sea volcanoes release methane gas that can cause a ship to sink unexpectedly if it is located above them. You disappeared, and nobody hears from you anymore. Scientists have confirmed that methane hydrates are not directly responsible for any disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. Scientists have proven this. However, there is no scientific evidence proving that it caused ships to lose their way. The fifth reason seems very important to me. Due to the psychological aspect, this is an illusion of frequency. Frequency illusion is a psychological effect. It says that when we pay more attention to something, we find it more often. Do you remember when someone in your family bought a car? You will most likely see your new car on the road more and more over the next few days or months. It would look like the same type on the road. You might also think that more people bought the type after you. In all honesty, there wasn't much change in the traffic. After you got it, it stayed common. You noticed it more after you bought the car. In the same way, the Bermuda Triangle is fine. Some big planes and boats went missing in the Bermuda Triangle, but they have also gone missing in many other places across the seas. The Malaysian Airlines flight is a recent case. The Bermuda Triangle was not responsible for the disappearance of the Malaysian Airlines flight. When people learned about the Bermuda Triangle's secret, they paid more attention to things that went missing and happened there. Around the Bermuda Triangle, accidents are taking place. People outside the Bermuda Triangle didn't pay attention to similar events. In the book, The Bermuda Triangle Mystery Solved, author Larry Kusher also found this. He wrote that some people began making up stories after the Bermuda Triangle mystery got a lot of press. There were mystery-seeking and totally made-up stories. According to the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, there is no proof that planes and ships go missing more often in the Bermuda Triangle than in any other water area. Not really. Similar mysterious disappearances happen in other seas as well. According to the U.S. Coast Guard, this means that they don't think the Bermuda Triangle is dangerous. The fact that the Bermuda Triangle is a busy area could help explain some of the mystery. Ships and airplanes frequent the Bermuda Triangle, increasing the likelihood of such accidents. That, along with the fact that storms often hit the Bermuda Triangle and the Gulf Stream is present, makes it easy to understand why ships might sometimes sink there. The Bermuda Triangle is easy to explain. It's an area with thin water that is prone to hurricanes. Despite frequent storms in the area, the WWF's 2013 list of the world's 10 most dangerous waterways for shipping did not include the Bermuda Triangle. To put it simply, the disappearances have nothing to do with the Bermuda Triangle.